how to add music on your Facebook post. Now before we move on with that, if you're new to our channel, go down below, hit the subscribe button and press the bell icon so you don't miss out on upcoming videos. Now let's add music to your Facebook post. First, make sure that you've installed your Facebook app and you've logged into it too. So just open up your Facebook for now. I'm just gonna discard this. Yeah. Okay, so just first open up your Facebook. That's very simple. Now what you want to do is create a post first. Now get in mind that you cannot add music to a post that you have already posted. So you'll have to create a new post. So let's just do that for now. Now choose a photo or a video. I'm just gonna choose this. And now if you want to say something, just say Deadpool. This is really random, guys. Now just tap on this photo and you'll just go to the editing section right there. Now on the top you'll see the music button, an option to add music right there. Click on it. Now just search for music. I'm just gonna do this music because it's Deadpool. Now after you choose on this, just add it. Tap on next and you have added music to your post already. Now just post it. Tap on post. Now it's gonna take some time to post because it has some music, and also it depends on your internet speed too. Now let's just wait till the post is finishing up, and after it finishes up your post will have music in it. So let's just see. Now if you're new to this channel, as I've already said, just go down below and hit the subscribe button so you don't miss out on our upcoming videos. Also check out our other contents, that's also tutorial videos which might help you, and don't forget to check it out. So as you can see here, my post now has music in it. So that is it for the video, guys. Thank you for watching. Stay tuned for more, and bye bye, take care.